Under the cold and rainy sky, a tiny shadow passed us by. Soaked little fur, big worried eyes, waiting for a warmer life. You didn't run, you didn't hide, just curled up softly by our side, like you already knew somehow you'd be safe starting now. We picked you up, you didn't fight, like you were ready for the light. Streetlight cat, we found you with a cold wind set. We brought you home, gave you heat, soft blankets, love, and something to eat. Now you purr and fall asleep, dreaming in a home so sweet. Oh, little streetlight cat, you don't have to go back. Wet paws on a kitchen floor, now you're not alone anymore. Milk in a bowl, a gentle hand learning what it means to land. Curled up on a quiet bed, soft little dreams inside your head. The world outside can wait its turn. Here's where you finally learn that not all nights stay cold and gray. Some bring you home to stay.